and welcome to Beautiful Foods TV. The playlist is Wisdom Nugget from Plants, Food for Longevity series, where we uncover the health benefits from plants and nature in general. Today's nugget is monkey nuts, peanuts that are in their shell. That's why they are called monkey nuts. Peanuts to the English people, and to Africans, Nigeria where I'm from, we refer to this as groundnuts. And these are not actually nuts, they are legumes, the same family as peas and lentil beans. So I'll go through the benefits and the drawbacks and then open one up to see how we can incorporate it into our meal. So the first health benefit of peanuts or groundnuts is that it's rich in plant-based protein. So if you are a vegetarian, an athlete, someone that needs muscle repair, and you are not one for meat, you can go for protein in the peanut. Also, it's great for the heart because it contains healthy fats like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol and protect the heart. Also, is nutrient dense. It's packed in vitamin B3, vitamin E, folate, magnesium, and resveratrol, an antioxidant that is found in red wine. Also, it supports weight management. Despite being calorie dense, it's quite high in calorie, but studies show that peanuts can promote satiety and help people feel full. So it prevents overeating. Then it's also good to regulate blood sugar. It contains low glycemic index and is high in protein and fat, so it prevents the blood sugar spike when eating in moderation. So let's go through the drawbacks and the risk of peanuts. I call it risk because roasted monkey nuts or raw nuts are usually the most dangerous when it comes to allergy that can cause children especially to go into shock. It contains a food allergen that causes anaphylaxis in sensitive individuals. So if you are allergic to nuts, it's best to stay away completely from nuts. I know that in Beautiful Foods, where we manufacture chin-chin, an African snack, Nigerian snack to be precise, we always ensure that we don't have any nuts in the premises. Staff, every one of us, don't bring nuts into the premises because cross-contamination into the product that we sell can cause fatal issues with people with nut allergy. So our chin-chin is allergy free. Then the peanut is also known to contain aflatoxins. Improperly stored peanuts can grow mold that produce aflatoxins, a carcinogenic substance. So it's best to choose certified high quality brands to reduce the risk. Also, like I said earlier on, is high in calories, so go easy on peanuts. The final tip is to go for unsalted. This one is unsalted because if you go for the salted one, sometimes there can be too much salt in it, causing increase in your sodium intake. So roasted peanuts, best one to buy is the dry roasted one, unsalted, so that you can get the benefit out of the nut. Finally, is high in omega-6. So peanuts are high in omega-6 fatty acid. Too much without balancing with omega-3, like we've done in flaxseed and chia seed, may contribute to inflammation. So peanut should be balanced with omega-3. So incorporate other oily fish that are high in omega-3, like salmon and other oily fish, to your diet as well. The other thing that I could say about groundnuts is that you can have it raw and then roast it in the oven yourself. I think in Beautiful Foods playlist we have the recipe how to cook monkey nuts. So it's simple. Just put the raw monkey nuts onto a tray, sprinkle it with a little bit of water, and let it just cook for a few minutes. I'll put that link as well so you can have that recipe if you ever want to make your own roasted monkey nuts. So let's see how we can snack this. So this is usually snack. You can have it in oil as well. We have groundnut oil that you can use for cooking. We have it in butter. You can have it like a peanut butter, which is quite nourishing. You can use that on your bread or your toast rather than having butter or margarine. So also we can have it in our baking goods, like add it to your cookies or your biscuits, or whenever you don't want to use butter or margarine, you can use peanut oil as an alternative. So groundnut oil is quite actually very nice. The smell always very nice. The smell is very pleasant and is high in good nutrients as well. How do we snack on the monkey nut? The monkey nut you can get this in store in the shell, which is the monkey nut, or already peeled, which we now call the peanut or the groundnut. So simple, if you're having the monkey nut with the shell, so you have the peanut come out, so just squash it with your fingers and then you have them pop out. So it's all in the skin. You have the reddish skin one and then you peel it, take the skin off. Some people eat the skin, but I usually like to just take it off. So here you go. So you have the peanut or the groundnut out and you just put it in your mouth and chew. That's all there is to groundnut. Nothing much about it. So that's it for today on this video on monkey nut. I've used the roasted one. You can eat it raw, you can eat it roasted, salted, unsalted, but for healthy option, go for dry roasted unsalted version. You can buy, like I said, from the store ready-made, or you can make your own from scratch at home. I hope you are enjoying this new playlist on Food for Longevity series. If you are, please subscribe and comment so we can start building this community. We'll be learning about nutrition, how to use diet to live healthy, and how to use herbal remedies, herbal medicine to make sure that we are living a good, healthy life without needing the hospital. That's how it should be. The food that we eat can heal us and they can also harm us. So it's now a good time for everyone listening to me to come along in this journey of herbal life so that we can all live life in a good, prosperous way and be healthy, as their soul also would be prospering. Because when we have good intake of nice nutrients, we'll have good mood and physical strength as well. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, keep on keeping healthy. Goodbye.